Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to analyze Dukascopy Bank. Dukascopy is a Swiss bank that gives you the possibility to open an account 100% online from all around the world. You can get a free debit card that could be delivered to your home. There are some fees involved. We are going to explain that in detail, but the general picture is that you can get a bank account in Switzerland. You can also get different cryptocurrencies inside the same bank account, so you can get payments from Europe and all around the world in an easy way, and you can convert from one currency to the other one. You can even deposit and withdraw to different e-wallets. For example, Skrill and Teller that we explained in the past is a really powerful tool that could be really useful for you if you are looking for a bank account that could be open 100% online and almost everything by free. This is called a multi-currency account. They already created more than 300,000 accounts. It's free and safe because it's under the Switzerland regulation. So in case that this bank go bust, go bankruptcy, you are covered up to 100,000 francs Swiss. This is the Switzerland regulation. The deposit insurance scheme protects clients' deposit against loss up to an amount of 100,000 francs Swiss. So this is regulated by the Switzerland law. You can open the account 100% remote, 24/7. I already passed this process and takes less than 1 day. It's incredible how you can open a real bank account from, for example, Latin America, really easy. You will get 22 currencies with different IBAN codes. IBAN code is the number of the account, so with that number you can receive payments in different currencies. You will have different type of payment methods. SWIFT is the type of deposit that you can receive money from all around the world. SEPA is the local transfers in Europe, so you can receive payments from Europe as a local. So in that way you can receive payments with really low cost, and other payment methods that we are going to explain later. You will have the possibility to request a Mastercard or a Visa plastic or virtual card, and you can even invest in stocks and commodity using the same account. It's really easy to open an account. You have to download the app. You can use the link that I leave you in the description in the first comment. In that way you are going to receive some euros as a gift for using that specific link, and you are also going to help the channel to keep growing. After you install the application that is called Dukascopy Connect 911, with that specific application you can start chatting, you can make payments, request funds, and even have 24/7 multi-language support. So with that specific bank account you can banking in an easy way. You can receive money, deposit money, exchange money, even buy cryptocurrency. It's available in Google Play or Apple Store. To open your bank account you have to pass the KYC verification process, so you have to have a video identification, a video call to talk with a real person in order for them to verify that you are a real person that complies with the law. But it's really short and is available in different language. If you want it, you can order a plastic card that could be Mastercard or Visa, and could be also added to Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even Samsung Pay. So in that way, if you order, for example, a virtual card, you can convert your phone into a device that could pay in any merge, as I said, Google Pay or Apple Pay, for example. The plastic and virtual card can be created in different currencies, for example, euros, dollars, GBP, and franc Swiss. Why this is important? Because, for example, if you live in Europe, could be more useful to create it in euros, because in that way you avoid a currency conversion each time you use your card. Or for example, if you use somewhere else, maybe it's better to create it in USA dollars, because in that way you can save a lot of money. You can pay goods and service wherever Visa and Mastercard is accepted. The card is delivered across the globe. This is key because a lot of fintech, a lot of banks give you the possibility to create an account, but then it's hard to get the card delivered to your country if you don't live in Europe or in more developed countries. This card is delivered almost all around the world. If you have any question, you can leave a comment and we will be happy to help you. You can withdraw cash in local currency because you can use that card to use an ATM, and that way you can withdraw money. And if you lose it, you can lock it using your device and you can request another one. You can convert in different currencies. You have plenty of alternatives to choose between. For example, the more important ones are Euro, GBP, US dollars, Australian dollars, Chinese yuan, and more. In here you can analyze if that works for you. You can understand the conversion rate from one currency to the other one. If you need more services, you can go to what is called the private banking savings account. This is not free, but for example, if you want to deposit more than $1,000, the multi-currency account that I explained before will be not useful for you. So if you have a lot of money, you have to go to this alternative because the free one is not available. But if you are going to deposit less than $100,000, I believe that could be useful for most of the cases. I said before that you can invest in gold, oil, index, and shares using this alternative. This bank, in my opinion, is not so useful because you are going to pay a high fee in comparison with other alternatives that we explain in the channel, but at least you have the possibility to do so all in one place. Based on your country of residence, you are going to have different account limits. You can search in here your country and analyze which is the monthly account limit that you can receive in your bank account if you not verify your income, or if you verify your income, you could increase that amount. They have office in Switzerland and also in Hong Kong, and in here you have all the account fees that I will leave you in the description and in the first comment for you to read it carefully in order to analyze if that is useful for you or not. Remember that you can use the link that I leave in the description and first comment to create an account to get some euros as a gift, and you're going to help the channel. The multi-currency account that we are explaining today is free to open, is free to maintain. This is key because another bank's account charge you a monthly fee as a maintenance fee. This is free if you deposit less than $50,000. I believe that's a quite nice account limit for most of the people that are watching this channel. If you are deposit more than $50,000, you're going to pay 0.3% annual fee. It's free to close, free to increase the limits of your account, and if you get a bank transfer to deposit money into your account, it's free. That could be really useful because if you are a freelancer or if you are an entrepreneur and you receive money from all around Europe, could be really useful because it's free. But you have to remember that if you want to make a withdrawal, you are going to pay a small fee. For example, 3.5 euros as a SEPA transfer. It's not so high, but 20 euros if you withdraw to a non-SEPA country. I said that SEPA is the local bank transfer in Europe. This bank has good relationship with different crypto exchange, so if you are a crypto fan, could be really useful because could be a good alternative to deposit and withdraw money from different exchanges. And as I said before, you can connect with Apple Pay, Western Union, or even e-wallets as Skrill and Neteller. So if you have money into your Dukascopy account, you can withdraw to your Skrill account. Or if you have money into your Skrill account, you can withdraw to Dukascopy. So that integration is really nice, but remember that you are paying 2.5% as a fee. This is quite high. Also with Neteller, there's another alternative, and you can transfer to or from another multi-currency account holder by free. So for example, if you have a friend, a customer, a client, a supplier, or even a family member that also have a Dukascopy account, you can receive and send money by free. That could be really useful too. If you request the card, you are going to pay some fees. The card is not free. The bank account is free, but the card is not free. So how much you are going to pay to request a plastic card? 15 francs Swiss. You're paying for the delivery. Or if you request a virtual card, you're paying just 9 francs Swiss. The card has a monthly fee of 2 francs Swiss. Take that in consideration. Even if you don't use it, you are going to pay 2 francs Swiss per month. It's free if you use it. You don't have to pay every time you pay for any service or product using your card. But remember, if you are buying something in another currency, you're going to pay 2% as a conversion exchange rate. So for example, if your card is nominated in euros and you're paying something in dollars, you're going to pay 2%. You can use it to withdraw money from an ATM. This is the cost. And if you want to use this bank account for investment purpose, you're going to pay 1% as a fee. This fee, I believe, is quite high in comparison with other alternatives that we explained in the past, but could be useful to have everything in one place. Here are all the fees. You can buy even cryptocurrencies, commodities, index, and bonds. To sum up, I believe that is a really powerful tool for any person that wants a bank account fully regulated in Switzerland. You don't have to travel to Switzerland. You don't have to have a visa. It's for non-residents. And the key point is that you can get a real debit card delivered to your country all around the world. That is something that I never seen in another type of fintech of bank, and you can get your bank account approved in less than 2 days. Leave a comment if you have any question. Remember to subscribe, And if you decide to open an account, you can use the link that I leave in the description and first comment. See you in the next video. Bye.